What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in today's video let's talk about the world's first smartphone with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 smartphone, which is the ASUS ROG Phone 6 series. Now this smartphone is now being certified by TENA, and so the launch is almost as official as it can get. Now we all know that the smartphone is launching on 5th of July, so if you are new here then do consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Now talking about the further confirmed things about this smartphone, everything else which you need to know about this smartphone is that the ROG Phone 6 indeed will be coming with the two models, which is the ROG Phone 6 and the 6 Pro or the Ultimate Edition. What's noticeably changed in this smartphone is that now the weight of this smartphone is down to 229 grams, which was earlier at 238 grams. Now, not only that, if we talk about the front display, then it's the 6.78 inch of an AMOLED display. Of a 2K panel, it will be a 6000 mAh battery, which will be split into two cells for faster charging, and the charging speed will be remain same at 65 watt as before. And it has also been confirmed by the 3C, which is retail packages for China. So it will also contain a charger, USB Type-C cable and a protective case. Well, that's also positive news for a lot of us, as now the chargers are going from the box of the smartphone, so that's always a welcome. Now this smartphone will go up to 18 gigs of RAM for this variant, for the highest topmost variant, and a half a terabyte of internal storage. We have also seen this kind of specifications in the ROG Phone 5 Ultimate Edition and the 5S Pro, and for that much of memory. Well, the back camera will be a triple camera setup for 64 megapixel primary camera, and it will be a 5x of optical zoom, and there will indeed be a macro sensor. Well, not only that about this smartphone, there is no periscope camera, and which is obviously not going to go, and the front camera is of 12 megapixel of a selfie shooter, and it will be having a minimal bezels, so you can game around easily with this smartphone. The high refresh rate is going to can be up to 165 Hz of high refresh rate in this smartphone, as ASUS is teasing about this smartphone. 165 Hz of high refresh rate is going to be a bar to break for the ASUS and for the other manufacturers also. The phone is going live on 5th of July, and the Ultimate Edition, or the maximum maxed out specs of this smartphone, can go up to $1,000, whereas the base variant, which is the pure vanilla edition of the ROG Phone 6, will start at around $600 to $700. Now, what do you think about this smartphone overall as a package which ASUS is trying to deliver for the gamers? And we also know that ASUS has been unable to make any kind of profits from this smartphone from their earlier statements. So let us know your thoughts about this upcoming ASUS ROG Phone 6 series in the comments below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.